The leader of opposition in Parliament, Joel Ssenyonyi, organized an engagement of different political leaders to voice their concerns over abuse of the existing legal framework. Ssenyonyi says the engagement was in spirit of solidarity with the fellow leader Dr. Kiiza Besigye and other civilians being tried under the General Court Martial.
Because today it is Dr. Kiiza Besigye, tomorrow it can be any other of the leaders in this room, and that's why we are here today.
Dr. Besigye and Obed Lutale are the latest known civilians facing the charges at the Makindye-based military court. They were arrested in Kenya and extradited to Uganda, allegedly suspected to have been found with firearms and ammunition, a move which most stakeholders have questioned.
Kenya itself, I saw a few days back the public servant representing the Ministry of Foreign Affairs trying to explain this question, because there are so many questions in Kenya itself. And I saw him almost speaking Greek, because he was not able to come out openly to say whether the Kenyan government was behind it or not.
Unless Uganda wants to annex Kenya, but Kenya is a sovereign state. So when the chairman of the committee said that on the 10th you should come for mentioning what case which does not stand.
These, including veteran politician John Ken Luchamuzi, Alliance for National Transition President Mugisha Muntu, NUP Party President Robert Kyagulanyi, and acting leader of the FDC Katonga faction, Erias Lukwago, among others, signed a joint statement with 5 demands condemning the trial of Besigye and Lutale by the military court, tasking the Chief Justice Obied Lutale and the Supreme Court to get interest in the matter.
We therefore jointly demand that Dr. Kiiza Besigye's charges and Obed Lutale's charges be dropped, and if they can't be dropped, let them at least be charged in a civilian court, because they are civilians.
This matter was of recent brought to the attention of the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Among, who said discussing the matter was sub judice of court.
Government will make a statement. You should come with a statement without going into the merits of the case.
Because the matter before court will be a subject of evidence, a subject of prosecution, and the outcome definitely will be known.
Meanwhile, Dr. Besigye and Lutale will return to court on Tuesday, 10th December 2024, amid a resistance, although the lead lawyer from Kenya, Martha Karua, has failed to secure a special practicing certificate,
which actually go against the laws of Uganda and the East African Treaty. And we shall definitely be taking further action.
Karua's application for a temporary practicing certificate has been declined by the Uganda Law Council on several grounds, including having no jurisdiction to allow the free movement of legal practitioners to practice in the courts between Uganda and Kenya. Martha Karua is a potential witness in the ongoing case, being that she was the host of the accused in Kenya. Martha Karua has also addressed the media, objecting the response by the Uganda Law Council.
Tomorrow I'll be accompanying them to court. I don't have to be a lawyer in the case. Now that I've been denied a license, I will go as an observer, and I'll go robed, because it's not an offense to wear my robes.
Martha Karua and Erias Lukwago told the media that more lawyers from outside Uganda have arrived in the country and applied for temporary practicing certificate to secure justice for Dr. Kiiza Besigye. Daniel Mugoya, UBC News.